Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super efficient way to create tooltips, tags, badges, and all sorts of handy UI elements right inside Figma, using a really neat plugin. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get these time-saving elements into your design projects with just a few clicks, saving you hours, and letting you focus more on your creative ideas, not just the grunt work. Alright, let's dive right into Figma. So go ahead and open up Figma on your computer. It doesn't matter if you're using the browser version or the desktop app. Once you're in, look towards the bottom of your side panel. Here you'll find a section labeled Actions. A lot of folks overlook this area because it's tucked away, but it's actually where many powerful features and plugin tools live. Now give Actions a click and you'll see a menu pop up. From here, select Plugins and Gadgets. This is like the Figma App Store. Think of it as your toolkit for turbocharging Figma beyond its default abilities. If you haven't explored plugins much before, trust me, they're a game changer. They can automate repetitive tasks and let you add all those extra design elements without having to build everything from scratch. In the search bar at the top, type in Figduo, all one word. This is the magic tool we're going to use today. Figduo is a popular plugin that creates a bunch of common UI elements automatically, which is especially handy when you need standardized badges, tooltips, or tags that look clean and consistent. You should see it pop up right away in the results. Go ahead and click to run and open Figduo. The plugin will launch as a little floating window inside your Figma workspace. At this point, you'll be prompted to connect your email. Now, I know some people get cautious about sharing their email, but here's the thing. Figduo is completely free, and the email connection is just to unlock all the plugin's features and keep your settings synced. No hidden charges, no sneaky subscriptions, just straightforward access. So don't let that step trip you up. Take a moment to verify your email. It usually just sends you a quick code or asks you to click a confirmation link. Once you're in, you've officially unlocked a suite of tools. Now's the fun part. Grab some UI elements to try out. You'll see options for badges, tooltips, tags, and likely a few more. Just click on one you want. For example, let's say you choose badge, and it'll instantly appear on your canvas, ready to be customized. You can tweak the text, edit the colors, or adjust the sizes to fit your design perfectly. It's that simple. This step might take a few moments if you want to experiment, so go ahead and try them out. You really can't mess anything up here, so play around until you find the styles you like. And honestly, that's it. From here, you're free to drag and drop these elements wherever you need them, duplicate as many as you want, or try out more styles as your project evolves. Creating polished, consistent UI elements has never been easier. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. I always enjoy hearing what you're working on or helping you troubleshoot. And if you want to see more Figma tips and smart design tricks, make sure you subscribe so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching and happy designing.